Hello everyone. In this class we will learn the very important short trick on the mixture and alligation topic. If you know this trick, then you can easily solve the questions on that in your competitive exam very easily. So look at the trick. Whenever the question will come on this mixture and alligation, you have to draw this diagram. So on the left side we'll write the C value, this cheaper value. On the right side we'll write higher value, that is B. In the middle we'll write the target mean value in the target. So the golden rule is we have to subtract this value diagonally. Okay, like this. Cheaper value subtracting with mean value and higher value also subtracting with mean value. But the rule is always subtract larger value minus smaller value. Okay. Then after that, after subtracting, we have to take the ratio left to the right. So that is our correct answer. So let's dive in by solving the examples. So the question number one. A merchant has one variety of rice costing 60 rupees per kg and another variety of rice is 85 per kg. So 60 rupees, that is a cheaper value, that we will write in the left side. 85 is the higher value, that we will write right side. In what ratio should we mix this two variety so that the mixture cost becomes 75? Okay, so that is our average value 75 we want to make, so that will be in the middle. Now we'll do the subtraction diagonally. So 85 minus 75, which is 10. Then 75 minus 60, okay, bigger minus smaller, so it is 15. Now we'll take the ratio 10 upon 15, okay, left upon right. So 10 by 15, which is, if we cancel out, 5 2s are 10 and 5 is 15, so the ratio is 2 by 3. So correct answer is B. Look at the next question. The average mark of all the students in the class is 60. So this is given the average value mean. So that we will write in the middle. Average of boys is given to be 50, average of girls are 75. So minimum value is average 50, so that will write in the left hand side, and the more average is 75, which is of girls, that will write in the right hand side. Now we'll do the diagonal subtraction. 75 minus 60, which is nothing but 50, and 60 minus 50, which is nothing but 10. Now we'll take the ratio. So left ratio is left number is 15, right is 10. 15 upon 10, which is nothing but 3 upon 2. Okay. So the question is find the number of boys if the number of girls are 20. Okay. So in this ratio 3 is to 2, this 3 is a number part of showing boys, and this 2 is nothing but the part of showing the number of girls. Okay. So number of girls are given total 20, and the girls part is nothing but here 2. So 2 part mean 20 girls. So we have to find out number of boys, which is nothing but part 3. So 2 part mean 20 girls, so 3 parts mean nothing but 30 boys. So the correct answer is 30 here. Look at the next question. In what ratio must a vendor mix water with milk costing 40 rupees per liter to produce a mixture worth 30 rupees per liter? Okay, so mixture we need 30 rupees, so that will come in the middle. Okay, so what we are mixing water with milk. So what is the cost of water? So when mixing free water with the price liquid, so water cost will consider to be 0. That is cheaper, so we'll write in the left hand side. And we are mixing with the milk, the cost is 40 rupees. That is higher than water, so that will write in the right hand side. And we want 30 rupees per liter mixture, so that will come in the middle. Now the next part is cross subtraction. So 40 minus 30, which is 10, and 30 minus 0, which is 30. So take the ratio 30 by 10 by 30, which is nothing but 1 over 3. So the correct answer is option number A, 1 by 3. Look at the next question. A trader has 50 kg of goods. Okay, so this is the value of total value is given 50 kg total. He sells one part of at an 8% profit and the rest part 18% profit. Okay, so one part that is less, which is 8%, that will write in the left side, and the other part is 18% profit, that is high, so that will write in the right hand side. Gaining 14% on the wool bet. So this is a total profit on both the part, so that will write in the middle 14%. Okay, so the question is what quantity was sold at 18% profit. So that quantity we have to find out. So let's do the diagonally subtraction first. So 14 minus 8, that is nothing but 6. 18 minus 14, which is nothing but 4. So if we take the ratio, so 4 upon 6, which is nothing but 2 upon 3. Okay. So this 2 part is showing the part of 8% profit, and this 3 is nothing but the part of 18% profit. So we want what? We want the quantity was sold at 18% profit. So what is the part of 18%? 18% in the right hand side. So what is the part in the ratio? The part is 3. 3 part of 18%. Okay. So now here this is the trick how to find the quantity. So 3 is a part of 18%. So we'll write 3 divided by, so the ratio is 2 by 3. We want this 3 part. So what is the total part? 2 plus 3. That will the denominator. Okay. Total part is 3. How to find total? This 2 plus 3. You just add the parts. 2 plus 3, which is 5. That will write to in the denominator. Multiply by, what is the total amount of the goods? 50 kg. So we'll write that 50 kg here. Multiplication. So 5 tens are 50 and 10 threes are 30. So the correct answer is 30 kg. Look at the next question. A man invests 10,000 in 2 schemes. Okay, so total investment is 10,000. Okay, this is the total that we will use in the end. So 2 schemes are there paying 8% and 10%. Okay, so 8% is less, so that we will write in the left hand side. 10% that is highest, so that we will write in the right hand side. In a simple interest, if his average annual yields 9.2%, okay, so that is the average that we will write in the middle. So how much did he invest at 8%? Okay, so that we want to find out the total amount invested in 8% part. So first of all, let's do the diagonally subtraction. So 9.2 minus 8, which is nothing but 1.2, and 10 minus 9.8, 9.2, which is 0.8. So if we take the ratio 0.8 upon 1.2, okay. So in both the number, after the decimal, one digit is there. So we'll remove the decimal. So the ratio is 8 upon 12. So if we cancel out by 4, 4 2s are and 4 3s are. So ratio is 2 by 3. Okay. So we are interested in this 8%. So 8% means left hand side. So 8% means, what is the part of 8%? 2. This 3 is a part of 10%. Okay. So we want to find out how much did he invest at 8%. So 8% means which part? 2. Okay. So you have to write down 2 upon total part. So what is the total part? We are getting ratio 2:3. So total is 2 plus 3, which is 5. So denominator is 5, and multiply by total value that is originally invested, that is 10,000. So we multiply by 10,000. So if we cancel out 5 2s are 10 and remaining 3 zeros. So multiply 2 into 2000, which is nothing but 4,000. Okay, so correct answer is 4. Suppose the question is how much did he invest at 8%, 10%. Okay, so 10% means which part? This part 3. Then the formula will be 3 upon total part is 5 multiplied by 10,000. Okay, so 5 2s are 10 and remaining 3 zeros. So 2000 multiplied by 3, which is nothing but 6,000. So 6,000 he is invested in 10% scheme, and 4,000 he is invested in 8% scheme. Okay, so this is a short trick to find out the mixture and alligation part. So this is a chart about prices, average, profit and loss, interest. Any question will come, left side always you have to write down the cheaper quantity, lowest score, lower profit or lower rate of principal. In the right side, or you have to write down always higher quantity. Okay, and in the middle you have to write down the mean values. So if you like this trick, then share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.